Welcome everyone, this is HTML Basics for Every Beginner Part 2, and this is my channel Silver Source. So if you want to get more parts and if you want to get along in this, you be sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be releasing a whole lot of videos about HTML, CSS, JavaScript and so on. Now the second part is the setting up your desktop. You're setting up your how you want your HTML background to look, how you want your icon files to look. Now first thing you do is you head on to your extensions, you go to the extensions market, and then you install material icon theme, and then material theme icons. These two extensions will help you a lot in both setting up your icon, how you want the icon to look, and setting up your background, because HTML default background is not much attractive, and it doesn't come with a lot of options. That's why material theme icon is there for you. Now first we go to your settings. It's at the left bottom of your this stuff. You click on your settings and then you see color theme. If you click on this color theme, something is going to appear over here. That's if you've downloaded your material theme icon, and I think this is default dark. This one is these are the two defaults for the dark mode, and this is default for the light mode. Let's look at how it looks. Yeah, this it's loading. Shit. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how it is. It looks blurred, right? Even me, I don't like it that way. And then see the dark. There's not much difference. But when we go to the light mode, as a programmer, it's possible you will constantly be sitting in front of your system. So I personally don't advise you to use the light mode. You better go for the dark mode. Now the light mode, default light, is this way, and it's very bright. It's very bright, and it can, for if you like light mode, you have to be using your sunglasses to sit in front of your system every time. Now I chose dark high contrast, although it came with VS Code, but I still have many other type of extensions over here, such like Tomorrow Night Blue. Look at how it is. Remember, all these color themes has their disadvantages when using it to write code, because for instance this Tomorrow Night Blue, you're looking at this way, you're probably not gonna differentiate between your errors and your tags and your functions. That's if you are using JavaScript. That was when I changed this Tomorrow Night Blue. There are also some others. We have the Monokai dimmed, we have the red, we have the Kimbai dark, and we have Abyss. There's so much more, but I like using this. See, high high contrast is not what I would advise you to use, so you better use the dark high contrast, or you just use the default dark for VS Code, or you can start searching search for more theme extensions in your marketplace. So now we have dark high contrast, and yeah, this is what many programmers like, because although it's still bright like while looking at it, but it gives you a perspective, that it gives you a kind of background that you will enjoy. So if you want to set up your icon, I think you better visit material icon theme. It helps you to material design icon for Visual Studio Code, while the other one is material icons, the most epic icon themes for Visual Studio Code, and the material theme. Now if you want to set up your icon, you click your settings, just the place you formally saw it, and then go to settings. Once you click on settings, you search for icons. Now you're gonna see different stuff for icon, but there is another way for icon. File icon theme. You can just click on file icon theme and choose your icon. Choose the icon you want. Now I'm using material icon theme for my icon. That is why you see my okay, I've not opened any folder yet. Let me try opening a folder. Open folder. Select the folder. Oh shit. Now that is why you find my HTML stuff this way. That's why you find it this way, because this is a folder. Like, this is normally, if you use defaults for the one Visual Studio sets for you, you're not gonna like it. You're probably gonna be finding something like this, or just something written HTML, something like that. I've forgotten anyway. Yeah, you're just gonna find two tags, the greater than tag and the less than tag, just together. This is the default for Material Studio, for Visual Studio Code. But when you install material icon theme or material theme icon in your marketplace from your extensions, you're going to be finding a lot more of icon for yourself. So now, thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, that means you're going to enjoy every other part of this video. So subscribe so that you see more and more.